In this video, you'll learn how to align text boxes in Docusign so that your documents look clean, professional, and easy to read. Neatly aligned fields not only improve the appearance of your document, but they also make it easier for recipients to understand exactly where to type and what information goes where. We'll go through the process slowly and clearly, and by the end, you'll be able to line up your text fields with confidence. Let's start from the point where you already have a document open in the Docusign editor and you've added a few text fields to it. Maybe these are name fields, address lines, or custom text boxes that the signer needs to complete. Often, when you place these fields by hand, they end up slightly misaligned. That's completely normal, and it's exactly what the alignment tools are designed to fix. The first thing you need to do is select the text fields you want to align, move your cursor to the first text box you'd like to include, and click it once. You should see a border or selection outline appear around it. Now, to select additional fields, hold down the modifier key your system uses for multiple selection. On many setups, this is either Shift or Control on Windows or Shift or Command on a Mac. While holding that key, click each of the other text boxes you want to align. Take a moment here to be precise. Only the fields you select will be affected, so double check that every text box you want to move is highlighted and that you're not accidentally including any fields that you want to keep where they are. Once your text fields are selected, look toward the Docusign toolbar for the alignment options. Depending on your version or screen size, this might appear as an align button or an icon that looks like stacked lines. Click this align option to open the alignment choices. When you do, you'll typically see different alignment types such as left, center, and right. These control how the selected fields will line up relative to each other. Now it's time to choose the alignment that best fits your layout. If your text boxes are arranged in a vertical list, like several form lines one under another, left alignment is often the cleanest option. Choosing left means all the selected fields will snap to the same left edge, giving you that straight form-like margin. If your design is more centered on the page or you're placing fields under a centered heading, you can choose center. This will align the middle of each text box along a single vertical line, which keeps everything visually balanced. Finally, if you're working with labels or content that's aligned to the right side of a section, you can pick right, which lines up the right edges of all selected boxes. After you've selected the alignment type, apply the changes. In many cases, simply clicking your preferred alignment option will immediately move the fields into place. Watch closely as the boxes jump into alignment so you can see exactly how they've moved. If something doesn't look quite right, you can usually undo the change and try a different alignment option or adjust your selection and repeat the process. Take a moment at the end to zoom in and visually inspect your aligned text boxes. Make sure they line up the way you intended and that they don't overlap with other fields, labels, or document content. When everything looks consistent and tidy, you're ready to continue editing or send your document out for signature.